Hi friends, I am Sita Lakshmi, your English teacher. Hey, how are you? How are you all? Show your smiling face. Smile, smile. Okay, good. Okay, my sweeties, welcome back to our English class. I gave some work in the last class. Everyone did the work? Everyone did the work? Okay, good. Keep it up. All are good children. Good. Let us start the class with a prayer song. Everyone stand up, close your eyes and clasp your hands. Okay.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing. Showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops from the south falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing. Send them upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now a refreshing.
Okay, children. First we do warm up exercise. Exercise for 2 minutes as shown in the picture. Everyone did the exercise? Okay, good. Sit down. My dears, do you remember Bruno and Sachin? Do you remember Bruno and Sachin? In our story, here is a boy named Sachin. Sachin has a pet dog called Bruno. It's a puppy. Bruno the puppy. Sachin is throwing the ball. Sachin is throwing the ball. My dears, will Sachin ask anything to Bruno? Sachin ask anything to Bruno? Yes. What will he ask Bruno to do? What will Sachin ask Bruno to do? Can you say? Yes, Bruno, go and fetch the ball. Sachin asked Bruno, Bruno, go and fetch the ball. Bruno, go and fetch the ball. Did Bruno bring the ball back? Did Bruno bring the ball back? Which sentence says this? Bruno came back with the ball. Bruno came back with the ball. What Bruno did then? Yes, Bruno wagged his tail. Bruno wagged his tail. What did Sachin do then? How did Sachin encourage the pup? How did Sachin encourage the pup? What did he say to Bruno? Yes. Well done, Bruno. Well done, Bruno. Sachin asked Bruno, go and fetch the ball. Then Bruno came back with the ball. Bruno wagged his tail. Then Sachin says to Bruno, well done, Bruno. Well done. Then what else did he tell Bruno? Then what else did Sachin tell Bruno? Yes, Bruno, you are my friend. Bruno, you are my friend. What did Sachin do next? How did Sachin show his love towards his pup? What did Sachin do next? How did Sachin show his love towards the pup? Yes, Sachin hugged Bruno. Sachin hugged Bruno. Children, what do you see in this picture? See? Bruno, then trees, gate, flowers, a man on a motorcycle. Isn't it? Yes. There is a gate in front of the house. Sachin stands in front of the house with his pet Bruno. There is a man on the motorcycle. Who is he? You can see Bruno running to the gate. Why is Bruno running to the gate? Let's see what happened next. Okay. What's that sound? Oh, a fish seller. Bruno ran towards the gate. The gate is open. Sachin ran after Bruno. Bruno, Bruno, don't go out. Sachin shouted. But Bruno ran out of the gate. Sachin became sad. Father, Sachin called out. Once again I read. What's that sound? Oh, a fish seller. Who is he? A fish seller. A man who sells fish called fish seller. Like this, a person who sells balloons called balloon seller. A person who sells vegetables, vegetable seller. A person who sells bangles, bangle seller. Okay. A person who sells fish called a fish seller. Bruno ran towards the gate. Why is Bruno running to the gate? Yes, in front of the gate, a fish seller is there, isn't it? Yes. Bruno ran towards the gate. The gate is open. The gate is open. Is the gate is open or closed? Yes, the gate is open. Bruno ran towards the gate. The gate is open. Sachin ran after Bruno. Sachin ran after Bruno. Bruno, Bruno, don't go out. Don't go out. Sachin shouted. ഉച്ചത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞു. Shouted means ഉച്ചത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞു. Bruno, Bruno, don't go out. Sachin shouted. But Bruno ran out of the gate. The gate is open. Our puppy Bruno. Bruno ran out of the gate. Now he ran out of the gate. Sachin became sad. He became sad, feeling very sad. Then he called his father. Father! Sachin called out. Sachin told his father that Bruno ran out of the gate. Will his father help him? Will Sachin's father help him? Maybe. Father helped to Sachin to find out Bruno. Okay, children, can you write the conversation between Sachin and father? Can you write the conversation between Sachin and father? Try to write on your textbook. Okay. Your first activity is writing a conversation between Sachin and father on your textbook. Okay. Second activity, write opposites words. Write the following opposite words on your English notebook. Open, close, in, out, sad, happy. Your third activity is the following new words write down on your English notebook 5 times each. The words are sound, fish seller, gate, shouted. Okay. Children, are you enjoyed today's English class? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you understood what I am saying. Okay, my darling. Complete the activities and read the passage. Okay. Today's English class is winding up. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you and goodbye until you see in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.